Can you still make email templates in Outlook in Microsoft Windows 10 or 11? We were going to show you, as you can see here, we are in Outlook and we just created an email here. For example, you want a weekly task reminder for your team, and we created this format here. Hi team, hope you're all doing well. Just a quick reminder of our task this week. So, and then, list out the tasks for, each team member. Let me know if you have any questions or need assistance with anything. Best regards, Eric. So before, we could do templates by clicking on these three dots here in the upper right corner. So as you can see, more options, right? And here in more options, you're gonna get templates. But as you can see at the moment, we don't have anything. We only have pictures, emoji table, check accessibility, switch to plain text, save draft, editor, and auto format. But as you can see, there is no templates anymore. Before, this is where you put templates. The only way you can do this is just to save this email. This is the only course of action you can do at the moment. I don't know why Microsoft removed the template option here on Microsoft Outlook. And as you can see, you can't do anything about it. You have message, alert, format, text, draw options. Don't have any options here for the editor, right? Like there's nothing here that you could do to save the template except for save draft. That's it. That's the only thing you can do. And hopefully they remedy this, because a lot of people have been, complaining, including myself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everybody. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.